have faith as a grain of mustard seed, nothing shall be impossible unto you.
Yes! Oh my god, this is my favorite song! Sorry, remind me.
Another B-Pass? Seriously, I already have enough problems. I don't need to add another one.
Matthew 17:20. Ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, nothing shall be impossible unto you. Yung pagkakaintindi ko is kahit maliit ng faith mo, kung patuloy naman siyang parang pinapractice mo, nag-grow siya. Kasi di ba yung mustard seed, magiging din siyang puno kahit maliit siya sa umpisa. Kasi di ba hindi naman yun ibibigay sa atin yung isang problem kung hindi natin kakayanin. Nothing is impossible. So,
I agree with this. Kasi last year, nalaman namin na may cancer sa mami, stage 8. So, halos kaming lahat nabigla dahil sa sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. Every night, I ask God, bakit niya binigay yung problem kayo? Palagi namin kaming nagsiserve, active naman kami. Pero, I realize everything happens for a reason. So, bakit ganun kabigat na trial yung binigay sa amin? Hindi naman nawala yung faith namin sa kanya. Naging stronger pa. And ngayon, every hour, every minute, and every second, binavalue namin yun. Tsaka, thankful kami kasi hanggang ngayon, kasama pa rin namin siya. So, yun na, nothing is impossible. Lalo na pag may faith ka sa kanya.
ikaw, Chloe, kumusta na yung, di ba meron na yung problem yun? Wala mo. Ano yung narinig ko nung last time?
It's nothing.
Wala ko naman siya. Sulat na natin yung pinakagawa ng music.
Jenny, hindi.
Lord, please help me. I don't know what to do now. Sure, I've been living on my own, but...
Hello? Ha? Parang nalulugi na yung negosyo sa Makati. Nung isang araw. Ha? Ano ba naman yan? Nasa ospital na nga si Richard, tapos ganyan pa?
Oo, sige. Ayusin ko na lang yung mga mo. Pwede po na lang yung mga nalagay natin.
Sandali lang. Ang narinig ko? Ang narinig mo? Malulugi yung business natin.
Ite-text na lang kita kung ano oras ako. Ayusin ko na. Ay, huwag mo kakalimutan magsisimba tayo sa Saturday.
Simba naman.
Pumunta ka. Bye-bye!
Ano?
Lord, please help me. I don't know what to do now. Sure, I've been living on my own, but it's just not the same without you. I know I've been ignoring you for like the rest of my life, but now things have changed. And I have my classmates to thank that. Lord, I'm so sorry for everything that I've done. In the past, I didn't even know why I even did that. I feel so stupid right now. And I know I sound like such a coward, but I can't help it. I'm so sorry, Lord. And now that I'm here praying, I realize that you were always there for me. I love you so much, Lord. Please forgive me.